Good morning student. Today we are going to learn 4th standard history subject 7th number lesson Swaraj first conquest. Last videos we learned some words from this lesson. Now listen remaining words we will see in this video. See the first word unexpected, UN EX PECTED, unexpected. Now listen next word gift, GIFT, gift. See the next word figure, FIGOUR, figure. Next word see benevolent, BENEVOLENT, benevolence. See the next word treasure, TREASURE, treasure. See the next word purchase, PURCHASE, purchase. See the next word project, PROJECT, project. See the next word kilometer, KILOMETRES, kilometers. See the next word Muramba Dev, MURUMBDEO, Muramba Dev. See the next word actually, ACTUALLY, actually. Constructing, CONSTRUCTING, constructing. See the next word unfinished, UNFINISHED, unfinished. Now listen, see the next word capture, CAPTURE, capture. See the next word capital, CAPITAL, capital. Listen students, once again I repeat these words. Listen carefully. Unaccepted, UNEXPECTED, unaccepted. Gift, GIFT, gift. Figure, FIGOUR, figure. Benevolent, BENEVOLENT, benevolent. Treasure, TREASURE, treasure. Purchase, PURCHASE, purchase. Project, PROJECT, project. Kilometer, KILOMETRES, kilometers. Muramba Dev, MURUMBDEO, Muramba Dev. Actually, ACTUALLY, actually. Constructing, CONSTRUCTING, constructing. Unfinished, UNFINISHED, unfinished. Capture, CAPTURE, capture. Capital, CAPITAL, capital. Students, you understand now this word's pronunciation? Now listen, see the next word from this lesson. Followers, FOLLOWERS, followers. See the next word partly, PARTIALLY, partly, completed, COMPLECTED, sorry, COMPLETED, 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 completed. Next word C, fortification, 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 fortification. Rajgarh, RAJGAD, Rajgarh. See the next word, monsoons, MASONS, monsoons. See the next word, carpenters, CARPENTERS, carpenters. Blacksmith, BLACKSMITHS, blacksmiths. See the next word, carriers, CARRIERS, carriers. See the next word, built, BUILT, built. Rajmahal, RAJMAHAL, Rajmahal. Baramahal, BARAMAHAL, Baramahal. Listen students, once again I repeat these words. Listen carefully. Followers, FOLLOWERS, followers. Partly, PARTIALLY, partly. Completed, COMPLETED, completed. Fortification, FORTIFICATION, fortification. Rajgarh, RAJGAD, Rajgarh. Monsoons, MASONS, monsoons. Carpenters, CARPENTERS, carpenters. Blacksmith, BLACKSMITHS, blacksmiths. Carriers, CARRIERS, carriers. Built, BUILT, built. Rajmahal, RAJMAHAL, Rajmahal. Baramahal, BARAMAHAL, Baramahal. Rajmahal, RAJMAHAL. See once again, RAJMAHAL, Rajmahal. Then Baramahal, BARAMAHAL, Baramahal. Students, see the next word from this lesson. Workshops, WORKSHOPS, workshops. See the next word, onwards, ONWARDS, onwards. See the next word, country, COUNTRY, country. See next word, overflowing, OFERFLOWING, overflowing. See the next word, excitement, EXCITEMENT, excitement. See next word, share, DESCHS, Deshmukhs. See the next word, jealous, JEALOUS, jealous. Success, SUCCESS, success. Complaint, COMPLAINED, complaint. Collector, COLECTOR, collector. Shirwal, SHIRVAL, Shirwal. Dispatched, DESPATCHED, dispatched. Now listen, see the next word, messengers, MESSENGERS, messengers. Listen students, once again I repeat this word. Words, workshops, WORKSHOPS, workshops. Onwards, ONWARDS, onwards. Country, COUNTRY, country. Overflowing, OVERFLOWING, overflowing. Excitement, EXCITEMENT, excitement. Share, SHARE, share. Deshmukhs, DESHMUKHS, Deshmukhs. Jealous, JEALOUS, jealous. Success, SUCCESS, success. Complaint, COMPLAINED, complaint. Collector, COLLECTOR, collector. Shirwal, SHIRVAL, Shirwal. Dispatched, DESPATCHED, dispatched. Messengers, MESSENGERS, messengers. Students, you understand now this word's pronunciation? Now listen, see the next word from this lesson. Rapid, RAPID, rapid. Progress, PROGRESS, progress. See the next word, surprised, SURPRISED, surprised. See the next word, explanation, EXPLANATION, explanation. See the next word, situation, SITUATION, situation. See the next word, probably, PROBABLY, probably. See the next word, countryside, COUNTRYSIDE, countryside. See the next word, interest, INTEREST, interest. Next word, see, design, DESIGN, design. Action, ACTION, action. See the next word, better, BETTER, better. See the next word, Purandar, P-U-R-A-N-D-A-R, Purandar, P-U-R-A-N-D-A-R, Purandar. Listen students, once again I repeat these words, listen carefully. Rapid, R-A-P-I-D, rapid. Progress, P-R-O-G-R-E-S-S, progress. Surprise, S-U-R-P-R-I-S-E-D, surprised. Explanation, E-X-P-L-A-N-A-T-I-O-N, explanation. Situation, S-I-T-U-A-T-I-O-N, situation. Probably, P-R-O-B-A-B-L-Y, probably. Now listen, see next word, countryside. C-O-U-N-T-R-Y-S-I-D-E, countryside. Interest, I-N-T-E-R-E-S-T, interest. Design, D-E-S-I-G-N, design. Action, A-C-T-I-O-N, action. Better, B-E-T-T-E-R, better. Purandar, P-U-R-A-N-D-A-R, Purandar. Students, you understand now these words pronunciation? Now listen, see the next word from this lesson. Location, L-O-C-A-T-I-O-N-E-S, locations. Now listen, see next word, political, P-O-L-I-T-I-C-A-L, political. Skill, S-K-I-L-L, skill. See next word, control, C-O-N-T-R-O-L, control. See the next word, Rohida, R-O-H-I-D-A, Rohida. See the next word, indeed, I-N-D-E-E-D, indeed. See next word, nothing, N-O-T-H-I-N-G, nothing. Stop, S-T-O-P, stop. See the next word, strategic, S-T-R-A-T-E-G-I-C, strategic. See the next word, Kondana, K-O-N-A-N, sorry, K-O-N-D-A-N-A, Kondana, K-O-N-D-A-N-A, Kondana. Now listen, see the next word, possession, P-O-S-S-E-S-S-I-O-N, possession, P-O-S-S-E-S-S-I-O-N, possession. Listen students, once again I repeat these words. Listen carefully. Location, L-O-C-A-T-I-O-N-E-S, locations. Political, P-O-L-I-T-I-C-A-L, political. Skill, S-K-I-L-L, skill. Control, C-O-N-T-R-O-L, control. Rohida, R-O-H-I-D-A, Rohida. Indeed, I-N-D-E-E-D, indeed. Nothing, N-O-T-H-I-N-G, nothing. Stop, S-T-O-P, stop. Strategic, S-T-R-A-T-E-G-I-C, strategic. Kondana, K-O-N-D-A-N-A, Kondana. Possession, P-O-S-S-E-S-S-I-O-N, possession. Students, you understand now these words pronunciation? I think you understand it. Thank you.